Hello everyone, I'm Neha Malhotra. I'm the founder of International Image Consulting Institute, India's leading image consulting training school. We started our journey in image consulting back in 2011. We started our educational vertical in image consulting in the year 2014. Ever since then, we have been striving very hard to bring quality and standardized certification and education right to your doorstep in India. We introduced our AICI CEU programs independently in the year 2017. We have been working very closely on my vision. I had a very clear vision before launching these programs in India. Our vision is a principle of 4 A's that we follow, wherein all these A's stands for accessibility, availability, affordability, and awareness. We wanted to make international certification easily accessible in India and available in India with an Indian training partner being able to provide you international certification in India itself.